Hi, my name is Meg Natter, and I'm the Dean of the Humanities Institute here at Brookdale Community College. If you're watching me, that means you're interested in the humanities. Well, guess what? I am too. So here we go. I wrote you a poem because I like to be creative and think outside the box, and I bet you do too. Here we go. For those who like to create, think, and read, for those who like to write, speak another language, and lead, I invite you to try a humanities class or two. Where should you start? Well, here's what you should do. If you plan to transfer to a four-year college, many programs in humanities will provide that knowledge. English, creative writing, and fine arts will set your path straight. Photography, media studies, music, and theater are just as great. Prefer to head right into a job? That's another challenge the humanities can solve. Interior design, game design, and graphic design too, digital animation and architecture, video production like I'm doing with you. Whatever path you choose, our faculty are the best. Find me at open house, and I'll fill you in on the rest.
There. It's a destination, a place you aspire to be. For some, there is a career helping those in need. For others, it's an office high above the city streets. There can be behind the scenes of a five-star hotel, behind a VR headset designing the latest video games, or underneath a high-end sports car. No matter where your there may be, we will help get you there. Brookdale, here we'll get you there.